Have you ever wondered what the world would look like if the average global temperature rose by 4 degrees Celsius? It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Today we'll delve into the world of climate change and why it's a pressing issue that needs immediate attention. Our planet's average temperature has already risen by just over 1 degree Celsius since the late 19th century, primarily due to increased carbon dioxide and other human-made emissions released into the atmosphere. Most of the warming occurred in the past 40 years, with the 6 warmest years on record taking place since 2010. But why should a few degrees matter? Well, in the natural world, a slight temperature change can have significant impacts. The difference between our current global climate and the last ice age is only about 5 degrees Celsius. Imagine the profound changes that a 4-degree increase could bring. The effects of climate change are already visible. The global sea level rose about 8 inches in the last century. However, the rate in the last 2 decades is nearly double that of the last century. This rise is causing increased flooding and erosion, threatening coastal communities worldwide. The number of record high temperature events has been increasing, while the number of record low temperature events has been decreasing since 1950. Heat waves are becoming more frequent and prolonged, leading to devastating wildfires and droughts. Climate change also impacts biodiversity. About 1/3 of all plant and animal species could be extinct by 2070 if current trends continue. This loss of biodiversity can disrupt ecosystems and the services they provide, such as pollination of crops, clean water, and disease control. But it's not just about the environment. Climate change also has significant social and economic impacts. It can lead to resource scarcity, affecting food security and water availability. It can cause displacement of people, leading to climate refugees. And it can even contribute to conflicts over resources. So, where do we stand now? Despite the grim picture, there's still hope. Many solutions are being explored, from renewable energy to carbon capture technology to sustainable agriculture. But these solutions require collective action. Every individual, community, and nation has a role to play in the fight against climate change. In conclusion, climate change is a critical issue that affects every aspect of life on Earth. It's caused by human activities and its effects are already visible. But there's still time to act. By embracing sustainable practices and pushing for systemic changes, we can help preserve our planet for future generations. Remember, a 4 degrees Celsius increase is not just a number, it's a potential reality that we must strive to avoid. Because at the end of the day, there's no planet B. Thank you for joining this journey into the world of climate change. Stay informed, stay active, and remember, every little bit helps. Until next time, folks.